Hey everyone, if your LinkedIn app is not loading, stuck on the loading screen, or showing a blank page, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix the LinkedIn app not loading in 2026. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons apps fail to load properly. Next, close and reopen the app. This can fix temporary glitches and loading issues quickly. Now clear the app cache. Stored data can sometimes become corrupted and cause loading problems. Make sure your LinkedIn app is updated. Using an outdated version can lead to bugs and performance issues. Restart your device. This helps clear system errors and improves app performance. Disable VPN or close background apps. These can interfere with the app and slow down loading. Also check LinkedIn server status. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until the issue is fixed. So yeah, that's how you fix the LinkedIn app not loading in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your app should start working smoothly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more LinkedIn tutorials for fast and easy fixes.